Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about the Python variables. What is variable? When we read the topic of our video, we all have one question in our mind. What is variable and how we can use it in Python? So let's start with the definition of variable. Variables are one type of containers to store data or any value in all programming languages. In other programming languages, we need to declare the variable which shows which type of data we are storing in that variable. For example, if we want to store integer in C programming, then first we need to declare a variable integer and name of the variable. And after that, we can store the value in it. But in Python, we don't have any command to declare a variable. So, Python will create a variable at the moments when you first assign the value to that variable, which means we don't need to declare a variable. It will be taken care of by Python. For example, x equal to 10 and y equal to hello. Here x and y both are variables. X is having value 10, which is integer, and y is having value hello, which is a string value. Now if we print x and y, we will get the value of x 10 and the value of y hello. Now here we don't need to declare x is storing which type of data. It will be taken care by the Python. Here you need to remember that you can't declare variables of particular type and you can change variable type even after they have been set. Let's take an example. Here first we will assign the value to x and print it. Now let's see the program given here. We are assigning the value x equal to 10 and we are printing it. Now again in the same program we are assigning the value of x same for high. Now we are having the integer value at first and after that we are having the high, which means it's a string value. But we will get output. There's no need to change the value or type of the variable, which means at first we will get 10 and after that we will get a string as an output. Okay, so we can say type of variable can be changed in program. Now let's learn about the string variable. String variables are those variables which store the string data. If we want to assign a string to any variable, then we need to use single quotes or double quotes. Both are having the same meanings. So let's learn how to write a variable name. So here the first question about the variables is how we can name any variable and is there any rules for naming the variables? The answer is yes. Like other programming languages, Python also have rules for naming the variables. We can give a short name in Python to variable like x, y, z, anything. Or we can give a useful name related to the data which we stored in the Python. Like if we are storing the age, then we can give a name of variable as an age, or gender for male or female, name, ID, email can be taken as a variable names. Like if we store person's ID in a variable, then we can give ID as a variable. So when other programmers see that code, they can easily know or understand that you are storing the ID in that variable. There is other few rules naming the variable in Python. Variable name must start with a letter or an underscore. You can use letter A to Z, small or capital, and underscore to start the variable name. You can start variable name with a number or any other slash, dash or any special character. A variable name can contain only alphabets capital A to Z or small a to Z, a numeric value 0 to 9 and underscore character. Other things are not allowed in Python variables. Variable names are case sensitive. So if you write capital ID and small id, they both are having the same different value. How to assign values to multiple variables. Python is giving facility to assign values to multiple variables in a single line. Okay, so we can do this thing by two ways. If we want to assign a multiple variables to multiple variables of single value, or we want to assign multiple values to multiple variables. If we want to assign multiple values to multiple variables, we need to use comma operator between the variables and also between the values as shown in figure. Now if we want to assign a single value to all the variables, then use equal to operator for between all the variables and value, and it will assign the single value to all the variables. We are showing here as multiple values for multiple variables and multiple values, single values for multiple variables. Let's see plus operator. So the use of plus operator is to combine the same type of data in Python. Remember, you can't combine different types of data in Python using plus operator. Otherwise, Python will give you an error. We mostly use plus operator with print function to combine the outputs of different variables. Here we are having x equal to hello string and y equal to world. Now we are combining both x and y variables using plus operator. So we will get hello world as an output. But if you try to combine integer type of data and string type of data, then it will show the error. So you can't combine two different type of data if you are using plus operator in Python. Now let's learn about the global and local variables. First we will learn about the global variables, and after that we will learn about the local variables. Global variables. Variables which are created outside the function are called global variables. Global variables can be used anywhere in the program and everywhere outside the function, and even inside the program you can use the global variable. If you create a variable inside a function, then it is called local variable. Now global variable and local variable both can have same name and different values in a same program, and it won't affect any of them. When you have a variable inside the function and want to make it global, then you need to use a global keyword before the variable name. Now you can use that variable outside the function too, even if that variable is inside the function created. If we want to use or change the global variable inside the function, then we need to use global keyword before the variable name, which value we want to change. Now here I gave some examples for the global variables and local variables. Let's see first one. In first global variables, I declared the x equal to perfect. This is a global variable as it is outside the function. We can use it in anywhere in the program. Now for second definition of local variables, in that I declared x equal to better inside the function my function too, which means it is a local variable. You can't use that variable outside the function of my function too, which means you can't use my x equal to better in my function 1, my function 3, or any other programs. You can only use that in my function 2. In my function 3, I used the global variable x and x equal to perfect. In global variable x, I printed that value and it gives me the global variable value, which means global variable can be used outside the function and also inside the function. So, what are the variables in Python? Thank you for listening me. If you like my video, then like, subscribe and share.